Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students, and this is the first class after Eid. So let's see today's class. Class Junior 1, Subject English. Topic sentence making 1 to 10. Term annual, lecture 7, and SW will be 5. Teacher Ariful Islam, and this is my mobile number, and this is messenger ID. So let's start the class. But before going to class, we have to learn what is make sentence. So look at the word love is a word. So you have to make a sentence with the word. So if I write, I love my mother. So this is your make sentence, and you have to underline of the word. So this is called sentence making or make sentence. Okay. So let's go. First sentence, our first word is tail. So we can write, the monkey has. As one monkey here, we have to write has. The monkey has a long, L-O-A-N-G, long tail. T-A-I-L, tail. And you have to underline the word tail. So I have written, the monkey has a long tail. Number 2, nose. So if I write, the elephant, E-L-E, elephant, P-H-A-N-T. The elephant has a long nose. So these two sentences are similar. The elephant has a long nose. So let's tell me one thing. You do not need to follow my make sentences blindly. You can have your own sentences, but it must have subject verb agreement based, and it must have meaning. Okay, you can write here, the cat has a long tail. It is correct. If you write here, I have a nose, this is correct. But if you write, I have a tail, this is long sentence. This is wrong sentence, incorrect sentence. Why? Because we know people don't have any tail. So I tell you that you have to have a full expression meaning. Okay, then your sentence will be correct. So milk. So if I write, the cow gives us milk. This is one kind of sentence. You can write, I like to drink milk. Okay, this is also correct. Okay, picture. I can draw, D-R-A-W, draw. I can draw a nice picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Okay, if you write, I draw a nice picture, correct. If you write, I draw a picture, correct. If you write, I saw a picture, this is also correct. Jam. Next word is jam. If you write, I like to eat jam. If you write, I eat jam, this is also correct. I like to eat jam, this is also correct. So next, move to next word, basket. The basket, B-A-S-K-E-T, basket, is full of flowers. So our word is basket. I have underlined the word. The basket is full of flowers. If you write, I bought a basket, this is correct. Spider. A spider has 8 legs. 8 legs. You can write, a spider has 8 legs. Friend. You can write, we are good friends. We are good friends. You can write, Mina and Tina are good friends. You can have 2 friends. Abid and Shorip are 2 friends. A lot of sentences you can write. If you write, Anika is my best friend, this is also correct. Net. So we catch fish. We catch fish. Catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. We catch fish with net. We catch fish with net. Lunch. Right, he is eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. He is eating lunch. You can write also, he is taking lunch. Okay, so that's all our sentence. Let's read again. Sentence making, question number 6. And I am telling you that you don't need to follow my sentences blindly. You can have your own sentences, but it must have subject verb agreement based. You have to maintain subject verb and you must have a meaning of the sentences. Okay, number 1, tail. The monkey has a long tail. So the spelling of monkey is M-O-N-K-Y. The monkey has a long tail. Nose. The elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. The elephant has a long nose. These 2 sentences are similar. You look, tail, only we changed monkey. In place of monkey, we have written elephant, and in place of tail, we have written nose. Milk. The cow gives us milk. Picture. I can draw a nice picture. Jam. I like to eat jam. Next sentence. 6. Basket. The basket is full of flowers. Spider. A spider has 8 legs. How many legs? 8 legs. Friend. We are good friends. Net. We catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch. We catch fish with net. Lunch. He is eating lunch. I am reading for the last time. See number 6, sentence making. Tail. The monkey has a long tail. Nose. The elephant has a long nose. Milk. The cow gives us milk. Picture. I can draw a nice picture. Jam. I like to eat jam. Number 6. The basket. The basket is full of flowers. Spider. A spider has 8 legs. Friend. We are good friends. Net. We catch fish with net. Lunch. He is eating lunch. You can write also he is taking lunch. I am taking lunch. No problem. So your SW will be 5. Submit on Sunday. Sentence making only 1 to 5. You do not need to write 10 sentences. Sentence making 1 to 5. So my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library. You know, your SW is very important because we are giving SBA city mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copy, and you are giving 2 marks in your SW. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home, stay safe, stay well, avoid bad parents. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu Alaikum.